You've probably heard that a triangle is the strongest shape there is, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate why a triangle is so strong and why it is stronger than a four-sided polygon such as a square or a rectangle. So I'm just going to use popsicle sticks to demonstrate right here. So this is a square, and notice that the square can collapse. Even though the sides are a fixed length, it can still collapse, and the angles of the square or rectangle can change even though the sides are fixed. So look at the angles here and see how it collapses. Now, this is impossible with a triangle. What makes a triangle so strong is that you can't change the angle of a triangle without changing the length of the sides or removing the connection between each side. So I'm pulling on this triangle really hard and I can't get it to collapse. You can't change the angle unless you were to remove the connection point between the sides. So if I take this screw off, look at the bottom angles. See how I can make them wider or smaller. You would need to change the length of the side to change the angle. So that is not the case with something like a square or a rectangle. They can collapse. That's why we often brace the corners of structures like that with triangles. So that is why a triangle is so strong, stronger than a square. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.